everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will address 5 reasons which will make you understand about the importance of learning English language. I hope having watched my video, you will have a clear information about why you should learn this language and what would be the requirements of learning English language. You know, the people who are learning this language, they all have their personal requirements, they all have their personal motive. That is why they are very passionate towards learning this language. So you just need to find out what would be your motive and what would be your purpose behind learning this language. Because I believe that the term purpose and the term motive, they will always help you to keep you motivated, to keep your mind in consistent manner. And for learning one particular skill, consistency should be there. Now let's talk about the importance of learning English language step by step. So reason number 1, if you are looking for an employment or if you are preparing for competitive exam, then learning English language will help you to keep your confidence high, especially while appearing job interview. The more your communication will be good, there would be a more chances of getting your selection. There will be a more opportunities for you. Okay, and you know, the interviewers always looking for those candidates who have good communication skill, who have good personality. And once you will start learning this language, you know, your personality will be attracted more. I mean that you will have some unique impression in your personality. Okay, so I can say that requirement of this language is going to be very high in your professional life. So for professional life, this language has importance. This language has significant role. And the second reason is that, you know, English language is a language of internet. I think that I don't need to make any other explanation for make you understand how it is a language of internet, because we all are involved in this field. So we all know how English is very much important, especially in internet area. So this language will provide you new opportunity to learn new things and to explore new things. And reason number 3, you know, this language is also very important, especially in education field. In education field, the requirement of this language is very high. For say, if you are a student of school or college, then I would say this is a very right time for you to start learn this language. You know, being a student of school and colleges, sometimes you may have to present yourself by participating in different activities, which is organized by our school management and education management. Okay, so sometime if you are asking to join in speech competition, debate competition and in anchoring program, so off and on you might have not allow yourself to be joined because of lack of confidence, and I'm sure that the lack of confidence was maybe this language. So if you are a student of school and colleges, then I think that you should learn this language, because you know, this language will help you from every side, because as we all know that in our graduation the study material we have that is not possible to mugging up each and everything. So once you will have a proper knowledge over the English language, this will also help you to understand each and everything easily in a precise manner, and also you can have your own notes. Okay, so this is all about education field. And the 4th reason is that if you love traveling, then learning English language will also make your travel easy. I mean, as we all know that English language is accepted globally. It is a globally accepted language. I mean, this language is spoken in many countries as a second official language. So if you have a dream of traveling in different places, at least you must have the basic idea about how to communicate with people. And the fifth one is that, if you are a businessman and if you want to run your business globally, then somewhere you have to have at least a basic knowledge about how to communicate with people in English language. This will help you to expand your business globally. Okay, so this were all about importance of learning English language. According to Indian Constitution, India has 22 official language. We all have our own native language, we all have our own mother tongue, and we are supposed to respect to our mother tongue. Whatever language you do speaks in your daily life, you should respect this, because don't forget that this is our root, right? So we should not forget our root. My native language is Bengali and I really respect to my native language. But one thing we cannot deny, that is, English language is a language of international communication. This is also considered as a second official language in the world. So do learn this language. This will make you smarter, intelligence, and it will bring unique impression in your personality. You will have a more and more opportunity in your career, and I can say for your career, for your professional life and for your personal life, this language has a great importance. So this was for today. I hope I could make you understand whatever points I have. I tried my best to make you understand. Okay, so this was for today, and please let me know what would be your feedback below this comment section, because this will always motivate me to upload more and more video. Okay, have a great day, and bye bye.